Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Great to have you here. Why does it always seem like Americans get the latest iPhone iOS updates before everyone else? If you've ever watched people in the US install a brand new iOS version while your iPhone still says your software is up to date, you're definitely not alone. Millions of Apple users around the world have asked the same question, and the answer is far more interesting than most people realize. In this video, we uncover the real reason Apple appears to prioritize the United States when releasing new iOS updates. Is it because Apple is an American company? Does the US receive exclusive treatment? Or is there a technical explanation that has nothing to do with favoritism? We'll separate facts from myths and explain exactly how Apple's software rollout process works. You'll discover why Apple's headquarters in Cupertino, California, plays a major role in the timing of iOS releases, how time zones create the illusion that Americans always get updates first, and why Apple often launches major software versions at a specific time that matches business hours in the United States. We'll also explain why people in Europe, Asia, Australia, and other regions may receive update notifications later, even though Apple is releasing the same software globally. The video also explores Apple's phased rollout strategy, one of the company's most important tools for protecting millions of iPhone users. Instead of instantly pushing every update to every device, Apple sometimes distributes updates in stages to monitor server performance, identify unexpected bugs, and ensure a smooth experience worldwide. This careful approach helps prevent widespread problems if an issue is discovered after launch. We'll answer some of the internet's biggest questions, including whether your country affects update speed, if changing your Apple ID region can help you receive updates earlier, whether carriers influence update availability, and why some iPhone models receive new features while older devices don't. You'll also learn the difference between major iOS releases, security patches, and emergency updates, along with why Apple occasionally accelerates certain releases to protect users from newly discovered security threats. If you've ever refreshed the software update screen over and over, wondering why someone else already has the newest iOS version, this video will explain exactly what's happening behind the scenes. We'll break down Apple's release schedule in simple, easy-to-understand language, making even complex software deployment strategies easy for everyone to understand. Whether you're an everyday iPhone owner, a longtime Apple fan, a tech enthusiast, or simply curious about how one of the world's largest technology companies manages software updates for hundreds of millions of devices, this video is packed with valuable insights and practical information. By the end, you'll know why Americans often appear to receive iOS updates first, how Apple's global infrastructure actually works, and what you can do to make sure your own iPhone gets updates as soon as they're available. You'll also walk away with a better understanding of Apple's engineering decisions and why timing differences are usually the result of logistics, not preferential treatment. If you enjoy Apple news, iPhone tips, iOS features, technology explainers, and behind-the-scenes insights into how Apple operates, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future content. We regularly cover Apple, iPhone, iOS, AI, consumer technology, and the biggest stories shaping the tech world. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.